guys, Robert here. I'm over here at the model center at Crosswind Ranch doing some model tours today with Westbay Homes. And today I'm in front of the Avocet II. This is the Avocet model behind me. Okay, 2-story. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, 3,300 square feet, guys. So give me a call, 941-879-4730 if you'd like me to price one out for you. If you're not from the area, if you'd like me to go to the home sites, I can go to the home sites and do videos of the actual homes, guys. And you know, we can work out a deal. So they always have great incentives. I think right now it's around $25,000 in incentives right now. So that can come off the price. You can use it for closing costs, upgrades, things of that nature, guys. So, but you know, incentives always change. They change every day. Prices change every day. Availability changes every day. I offer a discounted listing service, a $2,000 rebate for working with me as well. So yeah, guys, and then the builder pays me to help you. So the builder pays me, I pay you, I represent you, I help you get through the transactions. I keep these videos and all this information coming to you guys. You can pick my brain whenever you want, but right now we're gonna do a tour on the Avocet. And once again, guys, like I said, my number is 941-879-4730, Realty One Group Skyline, Robert Lunt. Just check it out. All right, nice profile in the front, guys. Curious about the garage here, so I don't have the floor plan in front of me, but here I'll post it on the screen here. So as you walk in, you know, you have your wide front entryway, bonus room. So this must be the garage. So okay, so you do have a tandem. This has a tandem garage. It's kind of like a 3-car, you know. It's even a little wider than the whole space, so it's a pretty wide tandem. And it has the I'm gonna say that is for a sink, okay? That would not be for a water softener, because it has the drain line. But I'm guessing, you know, and I don't think that's the main line coming in, so water softener, I'm guessing we'll have to go outside. Check this out, guys. It's a beautiful floor plan as well, Avocet. And, you know, as far as upgrades go, you know, I just took you through the Island Marauder 2. That was a little deck. Coming through here, guys. This would be where your pool would probably be if you got a pool. A bathroom right here. Lead right out. Second here, guys, the master is on the 2nd floor. Big loft. Good idea, game room. It's nice, very nice. Huge loft. The bedroom. Good sized rooms. Bit of separation. I don't know if you had like a multi-generational situation. You could have someone living on the 1st floor that can't do the stairs, right? Here's your master. Like I said, guys, you're gonna go to the design center. You're gonna be able to pick out all your upgrades, your structural, your cosmetic upgrades. You'll have a meeting and be able to, you know, get the home exactly like the way that you want it when you move in, so you don't have to worry. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this model tour. And this is the Avocet by Westbay. Check out my other model tours. Don't forget, give me a call, see how I can help you. 941-879-4730. Call or text anytime. Robert Lunt with Realty One Group Skyline. And hit the like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you for working with me, and thank you for all the opportunities. And I'll keep these videos coming. Thank you.